How to set up Google Pay. I am going to show you how you can easily set up Google Pay. The first step is to ensure that you have the Google Pay app installed on your Android smartphone or tablet. If you don't already have it, you can download it from the Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, open it on your device and take the following steps. If you have a Google account, sign in using your credentials. If you don't have one, you will need to create a Google account. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this process. After signing in or creating an account, you will need to add a payment method to your Google Pay wallet. This can be a credit card, debit card, or other supported payment methods. You can manually enter your card details or use the camera to scan your card. Depending on your bank and the card you add, you may need to go through a verification process. This usually involves receiving a verification code via SMS or email and entering it into the app to confirm your card. For added security, you may be prompted to set up a screen lock method on your device if you haven't already done so. This could be a PIN, pattern, password, or fingerprint. Once your payment method is added and verified, you can enable Google Pay by following the on-screen prompts. You may also need to set Google Pay as your default payment method for certain transactions. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.